anyone who's a South African we work with. I mean, AfriForum is South African. We're not against anyone because of their race. The only thing we always talk about is people who are undocumented in the country. And we're saying we're going to go to AfriForum and learn from them because it's important for us to take lessons from people if they're doing something right. And the right things that they are doing, we're going to be learning from them. It doesn't mean that we're saying now we're going to be worshipping AfriForum. That's not what we're saying, because we also told them that where we disagree, we disagree. But here we want to learn on the things that you are doing correctly for the people who are in your forum. Hi everyone, today we've just had a very productive meeting with AfriForum. As you know, there's a lot of issues that they tackle that have to do with dealing with community issues. They've got litigation, prosecution. They're able to help people in different areas. And that is ideally the type of movement that we want to be. And we want to be able to take pride in who we are and get things done and do them correctly without compromising our people, and making sure that we spend their money correctly where they need us to spend it correctly, and deliver what government has failed to do. So for us, it's very exciting because we've found a lot of areas of collaboration. We've found areas where obviously we can't agree on everything, but what we agree on is way more than things that we might not even agree on, which we don't even know what those issues are yet. But we're here to learn from each other. We're here to teach each other. We're here to also make sure that the people of South Africa are able to come together across different racial lines and across different traditions and find each other, after all the years of being separated by race and skin color, and find ways of making the country work, because that's what we all want. We want roads, we want schools, we want water, we want buildings, we want a country that is lawful and where everyone can live in peace and in safety. And that's what we're here for, ideally. And we're hoping that today's session is the beginning of a lot of things that are going to be going right for South Africans, and they don't need political parties to do that.
Azi ngihleli la ngibuka amanye amavideo kuthiwa hayi uJacinta usehlangane nabelungu se-captured kwasho kwacima kanjani wenganza kwethu enye yama privileges now as ama South Africans eyokuthi siyi rainbow nation. Labantu abamhlophe ba ama South Africans as much as nathi sama South Africans. Even worse, i-economy vele isasezandleni zabo. You understand, ama-industries aphethwe yibona, ama-sectors amaningi a-operate ngendlela e-right e-benefit isizwe, eqasha abantu abakusona isizwe and stuff. Asaphuma lezo ndawo zisaphuma ezandleni zabantu abamhlophe. Ngiyakuvuma lokho, yabo. Into ekumele si-understand la ukuthi i-March and March ayisi-political party, iyi-civil movement, yabo. Same as the AfriForum ingeyona political party, i-civil movement, excuse me, for abantu abamhlophe. And kuningi ekwenzile, you understand, over the years, ziningi izinto ezi-achievwe i-AfriForum for abantu babo, you understand. Usisi wethu akasona isiphukuphuku, ubhuti uZuma, umnumzane oganelwe uJacinta akasona isiphukuphuku. Wonke lama decisions athathwe bebo babili labantu. Lo muntu ekuthiwa uJacinta, enye into ekumele sibuye siyincome ngaye, uyisibonelo esihle emphakathini. You understand ukuthi teamwork iyayikhanda i-dreamwork. Yabo leyo nto leyo, unendoda em-backup fully. You understand, even worse leyo ndoda iyi-lawyer by profession. Yabo leyo nto leyo, ikwenye yama law firms are successful kwi-country. Yayizwa leyo nto le. So ama-advice awathola kuleyo muntu naye ngehabulo lakhe uJacinta, phela uJacinta akafani nondoda master, understand, uhabulile lo my sister and uhlakaniphile even worse. So labo bantu mabeyixoxa into yabo bebo babili, and abantu abanothando lesizwe, abantu abafisa ukubona isizwe sisesimene esingcono ngelinye ilanga, you understand. Labo bantu mabephumba nesinqumo, you understand, behamba beyosidikida ne-team ye-March and March. I-team ye-March and March i-leadership is approve. And nakuthina abantu abakwazi ukubuka izinto bayibuke ngehlelo deep, say understand into lo sisa yenzayo. Ayikho into wrong, mele siyivume induku, you understand. Ama-public sectors are own government. check ukuthi imaphi asasebenza ngendlela eright, asarana ngendlela eright between aranwa abantu abamhlophe naranwa yithina. Buka indlela yokugruma nokukhula kwama-junior employees kuma-sectors aranwayo abantu bebala naranwa yithina. Umehluko omkhulu, yabo? So alikho iphutha ekuthenini uyivume induku ukuthi okay nabo master balento, yabo leyo nto le bayenzile phambi kwethu for many years sibabuka, yabo? Nathi sesigcine sesiba nethu into, yabo? But asike sibulala i-skin color, sibulala i-race phakathi kwethu sama-South Africans ekugcineni, and siyalithanda izwe lethu and siyayithanda ne-future yezwe lethu ukuthi ibhilonge ezandleni zey'ngane zethu nezizukulwana zethu. Yini esingayenza going forward? Yikuphi okuhle esingakuncela kulabantu, yabo? As much as sinama-differences zethu njengoba siyingane zandawonye sinokufakana imvubu sisodwa la ekhaya, but okwamanje-ke asike sibhunge ndawonye ngoba sibhekane nenkinga efanayo. Akubona bonke abantu abamhlophe aba-benefita from i-cheap labor. Akubona bonke abantu abamhlophe aba-participate kulezi zinto zoku-exploita abantu bangaphandle. So labo bantu baya-understand ukuthi i-ultimate goal ye-March and March yini and yini indaba kumele besize i-March and March. Because abasizi i-March and March kuphela, nabo basiza i-future yezizukulwana zabo ezweni abafike basetlila kulona, nabo balidevelopa, yabo? Bazinza kulona. So nje lento yokuthi nibuka izinto at face value, oh just usenje, shout out to you my sister. Qhubeka wenza into oyenzayo, luningi kukhulu esikufundayo from wena kanye nobhuti uXolani if I'm not mistaken, uMfowazuma, uNcamalala, yabo? Salute to nina and yeah bafethu, kuningi esikubukayo la kuma social media, kuningi okuhle ekumele sikuncome, kuningi futhi nokubi okumele sikucorrect. Singagijimeli ukuhlezi sitrash abantu, crush abantu ngaso sonke isikhathi. Yonke opportunity siyitholayo, kunabantu abadinga opportunity out there, bayawenza amaphutha just like every other person, njengawe wena ujudgmental, yabo? Le nto le njengamanje njengoba thina saba kulelizwe, asike sizame ukuthi sibambane silwise isithe sibhekane naso. Siyeke lemzizizi yala ekhaya emene side lesitha, ya understand? Isitshela ngokuthi kunomunye usisi wangiphoxa kabi la, ngazathi uganele ngaphandle, yabo? Wayethi abantu bangaphandle ama shareholders akulelizwe ngoba balobolile, baba renovate imizi yasemakubo, bababekela ukudla emagrocery, bathenga amagrocery for imindeni yasemakubo. Guys, lalelani la sinitshele bantu besifazane bakulelizwe, thina sizokulahlekelwa yizwe ngenxa yokuthi nina nicabanga ngethumbu, yabo? Le nto le nibe nivilapha nifakazela istate, nifakazela inkulumo zalabantu ukuthi ama-South Africans avilapha. Nina niyavilapha, nizalwa abantu futhi most nabo abavilapha, nani niyavilapha, yabo? Akuyona nje into ongazophuma uyisitshele yona la online thina ukuthi bayawakhela, bayanondla. Abanye bethu, ubuningi bethu, ngikhulumela iningi lama-South Africans afana nami, asinawo amakhaya alungiswa abantu bangaphandle noma alungiswa osibari thina. Asinayo imizi yasemakithi eyondliwa osibari, yabo? Leyo nto leyo whether bangaphandle noma bala ekhaya, yabo? Leyo nto leyo so ungasifaki kuma-choices zenu endlala, yabo? Leyo nto leyo usifake lapho sonke, cha ngasifaki lapho sisi wami. Sibukela kubantu abanjengoJacinta thina, yabo? Leyo nto leyo abayisibonele esihle and abangekho perfect, babantu njengabo bonke abantu, yabo? Leyo nto le but okusalayo okukhulu esikubukayo, ubuhle bu-outweigh ububi esibubonayo empilweni zabo. Kanza kwethu ukwanda kwaliwa umthakathi, but kumele nikwazi inhle into yenziwa i-March and March. Salute.
Yes, we are still uploading. Yo, lana ke sishaya amahlombe, sishaya ifika, sishaya yonke indawo, sishaya umzimba wonke la. We are still uploading into her master plan. She knows what she's doing. She's got the best interest at heart. We know that for sure. We know how. There's nothing awkward about this. There's nothing awkward about this at all. At all. We march and march until we win. La. Ujacinta, wire. And you haven't seen anything. You'll still have something to talk about for the next coming 10 years. Lento le kukhandwa umlando la. Yayizwa? Umlando lo, this is revolutionary, and lo mlando lo kuyofunda abantwana bethu ngayo lento, this history. We are creating history manje la eMzansi. Lo msebenzi owenza unomama lo It's beyond our own, even our own imagination. By the time she's done, athatha umhlala phansi. Sobe sikhothama phambi kwakhe sibonga. Sobe sibonga sithi ingabe kungasingawe, ngabe sikho la sikhona namhlanje. Mark my words.
Yeah, let's connect the dots now. Jacinta love his own people. Jacinta is the Winnie Mandela. Bona, ukuba isiphukupuku, you don't need to go to a tertiary or you don't seek a qualification. As soon as you stop thinking and analyzing for yourself, then you become a fool. Right? Now, a partnership ega Jacinta and AfriForum, it clearly shows that Jacinta strategically the enemy abantu abamnyama South Africa. And this number 2 must tell you that i-movement le bekayiphusha kahle kahle abagqugquzeli bayo sebayavela manje kwi-partnership. Because you cannot say people who are continuously oppressing your people, then when you partner with those people, on what basis? Asibuzeni tokuqala, on what basis is much and much partnering with AfriForum? The policies that are here to develop umuntu omnyama, i-AfriForum ayiwafuni. And remember, before you can partner with a person, you go through a process of going through their policies. Jacinta uyayazi ipolicy ye-AfriForum nokuthi i-AfriForum imeleni. Then he says, yes, I'm going to partner with those people. Baphika abantu be-March and March. Where are those political parties? About Action SA, MK, abebathi, we are behind Jacinta. And we told you. We told you. To be a fool, but they mobilize abantu for a march. After Jacinta and I partnership in AfriForum, ungizwe podcast naba omunye kuma DSTV like mfethu, where are you now?
Guys, abantu abagceka iMarch and March noJacinta abantu abazonda isizwe sakithi esimnyama, abantu abazonda eSouth Africa, nabantu be-EFF, since we know ukuthi EFF is all about illegal immigration, it's all about asylum seekers, not South African citizens. I-decision yaka Jacinta, we will support it 100% all the way. Idom neyiphukuphuku nabalandeli be-EFF bokhuluma bakhulumile. We don't care, because even nabo as EFF, uJulius Malema umngani wabelungu, EFF was funded by Adriana Mazotti, someone who was accused of producing illicit cigarettes. I-decision yaka Jacinta, I hope as South Africans we can learn from it. As black people in South Africa we can learn, and also white people must also learn. Because emqondweni yami hlezi khona ukuthi i-America has a lot of things lebangazenzi kahle, especially ukuhlukubeza i-black nations. But when it comes to their country, what I've learned is that whether you are white, pink or brown or black, once you have an American citizen, you're all about America. Whether it's bad or good, whatever they send you to do, you will do it just for America. This is something that as South Africans, whether you are black, Indian, colored or white, we should adapt, that we protect this country with all what we have. Because if we don't work together, Islam is emnyango. The Pakistanis, Somalians, the Bangladeshis, they will take over. The Ethiopians, they will take over. So we need to work together to protect this country and to preserve our cultures. Otherwise, we will lose everything. So I support it decision yaka Jacinta all the way. I don't know what you guys are thinking. You can leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Tanko.